Hello, today I will review Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt with Camelot trim in satin nickel. About item. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to lock, unlock from anywhere, plus set up guest access codes for recurring, temporary or permanent access when paired with the Schlage Home app or Key by Amazon app. No additional accessories required. Create and manage up to 100 access codes for trusted friends and family to use with a fingerprint-resistant, capacitive touchscreen with easy one-touch locking. Built-in alarm technology senses potential security breaches at the lock. Easy to install with just a screwdriver. Unique snap and stay technology snaps the deadbolt onto the door so both hands are free during installation. Thanks for watching. You can get best price and discount from link in description.